You searched how to buy shares of Starbreeze AB. This short guide walks through the steps. Starbreeze AB is a Swedish video game developer listed on CBOE EU under the ticker STARB.ST, and this video is educational, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before purchasing. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker STARB.ST to find Starbreeze AB. Make sure to select the listing that shows CBOE EU to confirm you have the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart to see recent price action. Double-check the company name, exchange, and ticker STARB.ST to confirm it is the right asset. Click Trade or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and fees before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may remain pending until it opens, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before allowing confirmation. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. For the eToro link used in this demo, check the description below.